not just a rough number or an estimate. We were able to work out the exact case number that was required to fulfill that order. I was quite privileged in the fact that it's actually the second WMS I've designed or been a part of the design, and that meant I was able to look at the mistakes we made in the first one, and when we did that we realised the RF system essentially needed to be workflow and screen builder. The reason was every customer wanted something different, and to be able to cater for that, if you don't plan accordingly, you're going to end up with lots of segmented software. That just becomes an impossible task to maintain. We designed the workflow and screen builder, and that enables anyone to do anything they want. We make sure that components work and they all fit together, and the client then decides how they want to work, even down to the button press, which means they can be as efficient as possible. I always like to say it's like buying an off-the-shelf platform, but then you're able to customize it to be a bespoke product for yourselves without having to involve a developer. We will always set it up for you in the first instance, and you can use the help desk if you want to make changes to it. But we've also got a number of users that have taken it on themselves to customize, configure, and I always really like to see what people have built. I'm always surprised when I see it. We built a process recently actually where a customer was importing a lot of stock from China. The problem was every shipment they got in, the carton sizes were different. One week it would be a case of 6 items, the next week it'd be a case of 8. So it was changing every single time. So what they needed to do is build part of the receipt process. They needed an extra check to make sure that the case size was the same, or if it was different, they would then need to record the new case size. That case size would then stay with the product, and when we were ordering the stock, we were able to then work out exactly how many cases they need, not just a rough number or an estimate. We were able to work out the exact case number that was required to fulfill that order.